Get paid daily with these brand new money-making sources that I'll share with you in today's video. They work for absolutely free and anyone can join, and you can also get paid in PayPal money. In order to get the desired results, make sure to follow me till the end of this tutorial. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that if you haven't already, you can just subscribe to our channel Mia's World and hit the notification bell on if you want to get notified each time we upload brand new strategies on how to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use them and that way make the most money. If you love this type of content, you can also give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion about this video. You can also share it with your friends though. Without any further ado, let's now start with this video so I can show you every single step, and stay tuned until the end since I'm going to give you multiple sources and you can get easily lost and confused. So, the very first step is to come over to the first source for today, which is called Remotasks, and it's over at remotasks.com. You're going to earn in US dollars doing some online tasks from the comfort of your home. You can join their community of more than 240,000 of taskers from anywhere in the world, as you can see, and they've made in total more than 15 million of dollars, and they are from Vietnam, Philippines, Kenya, Venezuela, and so on. You can even click on see more testimonials and read more about what these members have to say about remote tasks. Let's see how it works. You're going to do some tasks and get paid. It's very simple, and these tasks range from labeling images to transcribing audios, and you can see that you can start as a beginner since they are going to teach you how to do those tasks with their online courses or free hands-on training. Then you're going to start completing tasks and you're going to work on tasks from projects that you have unlocked, and you're going to get paid in US dollars weekly through PayPal and even AirTM based on your quality and also the number of tasks that you have completed. So as I mentioned before, no prior experience is required. You're going to get free training and do those online courses in order to learn more how to complete the tasks. And of course, if you level up, if you just do some more difficult tasks, the more money you're going to make. That's why you're going to get trained in order to learn how to do even some more difficult tasks and get paid more. You're going to work from anywhere in the world, anytime, and you can enjoy the safety and flexibility of working remotely. All you need is like a computer and an internet connection, of course, and you can even read some frequently asked questions so you can learn more about this platform and explore it a little bit on your own. Of course, you need to create an account for absolutely free. Just go over to the sign up button in the upper right corner, or you can even click on start earning today, and then in the next page just agree to the terms of service and you can continue with your Facebook account or Google account in order to create an account. And you can see that you can have consistent work. There are new projects always coming in, and you can even just work consistently on some long-term projects as well. You're going to get paid very often, once a week, and you can earn a living since you can work from the comfort of your home. And as we saw before, the members of this platform have earned more than 50 million of dollars altogether. So this was the first platform that I wanted to share with you today. Of course, you can give it a try, but I have some other platforms that you can use. This is Survey Time, and it's over at surveytime.io. You can get instantly rewarded with $1 for every survey that you complete. They have 4.5 stars on Trustpilot, and of course you can sign up for absolutely free. You can sign up with your Google account or Facebook account, or even manually with your email address. Just put an email address over here, enter a password, and also agree to items of service and click on the Start Now button. And as you can see, your service will be sent to this email. By scrolling down, you're going to see the payment method. You can get Amazon gift cards, Target gift cards, also PayPal money, and even get paid through cryptocurrency. You can scroll down to see how it works. Of course, first of all, you're going to create that account for absolutely free, and then you're going to take a short introductory survey so you can tell them more about yourself. Then you're going to just start earning cash whenever you complete surveys, and for each survey that you complete, you're going to get instant cash out for your $1 US. So for all of the surveys that you complete, whether they are like 5 minutes or 15 minutes, you're going to get paid $1. And you're going to see that there is no withdrawal threshold, because whenever you complete that survey, you're going to get instantly that $1 reward. You can never miss a new survey, since they are going to keep you updated and notify you whenever new survey is up for you to complete. Of course, it is available all around the world. Anyone can join and still is going to get paid in US dollars. Actually, you can choose your own reward, the reward that I mentioned even before. And I want to mention that not all gift cards options are available outside the US, because Target, for example, is only available in the US. And you can see that these surveys are going to be just for you. So they are going to give you some surveys based on your interest. That's why you're going to take that introductory survey at the beginning of this video. So you're going to complete surveys that match your interest, which is pretty awesome actually, because you can never get bored by completing these surveys. So just scroll down, and I want to show you another way to get paid with surveytime.io. They offer an affiliate program for you to get paid in passive income anytime you bring new members to this platform. By clicking on affiliates down here, it's going to take you over to this page. They call it ambassador program. It's the same thing, and you're going to just apply for it by putting your email address, a full name, your Skype username, and click on the continue button. And whenever you are going to just start promoting survey time, bear in mind that you can just mention some of their best features. Just like they are ranked 4.5 stars on Trustpilot, they offer different payment methods including PayPal, Amazon, or even Payoneer. It is available even on your mobile phone, as you can see, so you can just access it from your desktop version on your computer or even on your mobile phone. So there are a lot of other features that you can mention in order to get people signing up to survey time using it, and you're going to get paid in passive income again and again, which is a nice way to maximize your earnings on this platform. So right away, I'm going to proceed to the last platform for today, which is called BuzzBreak, and it's already BuzzBreak News. BuzzBreak.news actually, and you're going to see that you can share your story and earn some rewards. But there are some other ways that you can use this platform to get paid. You're going to notice that they offer an app on App Store and Google Play Store, but actually I cannot find the app on App Store, so just let me know if you are an iOS user if there is an app called BuzzBreak. But here on Google Play Store you can find it. It's called BuzzBreak Read Funny Videos. So you can see 10 million of downloads over here and 3.7 stars, and also over their official website you can just learn more about this platform. For example, how are people getting paid? So they are just reading articles, watching funny videos, and they are getting some points that they're redeeming for money. It's very fun to watch and read the articles while earning money on it, says on a user over here. You can even go over to the app to see more reviews over here. Of course, you can give it a try. There are not pretty good reviews actually, 3.7 stars, but maybe it's going to work better for you. So you can give it a try, have some fun, and also do some things that you already do on a daily basis and get paid in some extra income this time. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you like it, make sure to give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to Aiden Emia's World. Thank you for watching.